Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss about why primer is important before doing texture art on any base and also how to apply it. So let's start with why it is important. So if you won't apply primer on your canvas board or MDF board or any other base on which you are doing texture art, your base will absorb too much moisture from the texture paste and it might end up result in many cracks. So you should apply primer, and it also gives a better grip to texture paints and paints so that your paste and paints adhere properly to the base. Now it also gives a very nice smooth working surface, and it also increases the life of your artwork. The durability of your artwork it increases. So whether you are using a canvas board or MDF board or a stretched canvas like this, then or else any other base like wood, plywood, or anything else, you should always apply gesso. And this is the gesso which I use. I'm using it for a very long time, and the consistency, the finish, everything works well in this one. So this is a white gesso. For black bases, black gesso also comes. So you can also buy it if you're working on a black surface. Now there are two ways to apply it. One is with help of brush, another with help of sponge. So on one base I'll apply it with help of brush, and on another one I'll use the sponge. So let's open it, and I'm going to use directly from the bottle, from this box. If you want, you can take it out on palette and then you can apply it. So I'm just dipping my brush in the gesso bottle. I'm making sure that there are no dust particles on the canvas board, and then horizontally, I'm going to apply it like this. You don't need to apply a very thick layer of it. A thin layer is more than enough. Not every time more is good. For this one, you need to apply only one layer of it. Also, these days, canvas board which comes in the market are already pre-primed. On your canvas, it must be written that this canvas board is double gesso primed or acrylic gesso primed. If it is written, then you don't need to apply primer on this one. Okay. If it is not written, then you can apply. Mine it was written, but just to show you, I'm applying it how to do it. Now you need a very thin layer of it. You have to apply it unevenly, first horizontally. Then you can just let it dry for 1 hour. If your canvas is not pre-primed, let it dry for 1 hour, and once it is fully dried, you can turn it like this and apply it horizontally again. So once your brush strokes comes on this side, in the next round your brush strokes comes vertically. Okay, so this way you have to apply gesso with help of brush. Now after applying gesso, wash your brush immediately with help of water, or else it will dry like this and then you won't be able to use it. Now I'm keeping this aside, and let's see how to do it with help of sponge on this one. I'm going to cut a small piece of it. Okay. Then I'll take any palette. Obviously, a lot of gesso is not required. So I'm going to take some of the gesso on this one, this palette. Okay, this much should be fine. I am dipping my sponge in the gesso, and then you can go like this also. I applied this way also. It's easy and it covers the big area quickly. Like this. And then another time, after 1 hour, once it is fully dried, I'll apply it like this also. Another way, in MDF board, it's not apply not necessary to apply it in horizontal and vertical direction. You can also do it this way. You can also do it in a dabbing technique. This works better for MDF boards. In canvas board, you will see the texture of the fabric. That's why it is necessary to apply in both the directions. But in MDF, you will see the MDF is very smooth, so you don't need to apply it in both the directions. Rather, it's good if you use the dabbing technique to cover the whole MDF board. As I already said, do not apply a very thick layer of it. A thin layer is more than enough for both, whether it is canvas or it's MDF board. Okay, so like this you can do it. So now this is the way you apply gesso to your artworks or a primer to your artwork. So if you are confused what is gesso and what is primer, so gesso is kind of a primer which we use for art and craft purposes. Priming is a basic word, and the gesso word which we use in mm, priming our surface for art. Okay, so don't get confused with the words gesso or primer. So yes, that's about it. If you want your texture art to last long and you want it to be a professional finish, then you should apply gesso before doing texture artwork on any base. And yes, you just need to clean the surface, mm, apply gesso in one direction, let it dry fully, and then only apply the second coat. And yes, you're good to go for your texture artwork.